All right, everybody, Stephen Key here, and today I want to talk about you have an idea, you have an invention, but you don't have any money. Don't let that stop you. The traditional way that's been taught for years and years and years is that you need money if you want to commercialize or bring your product to market. And the way to do that is that you would raise money, write a business plan, probably hire employees, do all the marketing, the manufacturing, probably just about do everything. And that does take time and that does take money. But that's the traditional business model to take an idea and bring it to market. What I'm talking about today is called product licensing, where you're going to rent your idea to a company that's already got shelf space. They're going to do the marketing, the manufacturing, the distribution. They're going to do everything. They're going to spend their own money. And if they like your idea, they're going to take it, do all this work, spend all their money, all their time on your product idea, and they're going to bring it to market for you. And each time they sell your product, you collect a royalty. Wow. So it doesn't take you as the inventor, as the creative person, a lot of money. It does take a little bit of time. It does take knowledge. Now let's talk about product licensing for just a minute. It's not really a new business model, but it's a model that most people are not aware of. It's not being taught at any of the universities, and it's fairly new to most people. Although product licensing has been around for probably close to 100 years in certain industries, such as the toy industry. But product licensing is exploding in all different industries, from automotive, accessories, to pet, to kitchen, to fitness, DRTV, toys, you name it. Just about every industry, open innovation, I'll talk about that in a minute, is exploding. So product licensing is where companies are looking for ideas. Now let's talk about that for just a minute. What does that mean, they're looking for ideas? Companies have realized for them to stay competitive today, they're going to need new ideas. And the best way to find those new ideas is to open their doors. That's why it's called open innovation. They're going to open their doors for innovation to come in from people like us. Now, maybe you're an inventor, maybe you're a product developer, or maybe you're just a creative person with an idea. Companies that want to work with us, that have embraced open innovation, want to license ideas from people like us. It's called product licensing. And what's really wonderful about it, it doesn't really take a lot of money. Now, you can do this with a simple sell sheet, which is a one-page advertisement showing the benefit of your idea. Maybe you need a prototype. Sometimes you don't even need a prototype. You can make a 3D computer-generated rendering of what your idea looks like. And you don't even need a patent. You could file a provisional patent application, and if you do it well, it will show the value of the benefit of your idea to a company. So, what's really wonderful, if you have an idea, if you have an invention, and if you don't have any money, don't worry about it. Look at the licensing business model. Okay, if you need help with this, and I know a lot of people out there, maybe this is new, maybe you've tried to do it before and you haven't been successful. Either way, if you need help, please reach out to us at inventRight. We've been helping people for over 2 decades to license their product ideas all over the world. Our 800 numbers down below. We would love to help you. All right, this is Stephen Key. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe down below.